In this video, we will learn how we can download such kinds of images which are copyright free images. So, for downloading those kinds of images from Google, we what we need to do is uh, simply type in Google what we are searching. So, suppose we are searching the images of lotus. So, simply type lotus in Google. Lotus. Okay. So here so many information about lotus is coming, but I need only the images. So clicking on this image option, we can see so many images of lotus are appearing here. So among these images, I need only those kinds of images which are copyright free images. So for getting copyright free images, you need to click on this tool button. So simply click on this tool button, and after clicking this tool button, you can see the option called usage rights. So if I click on this usage right option, you can see two options are appearing, that is Creative Commons licenses and commercial and other licenses. Creative Commons licenses are those kinds of licenses which you can uh, use for downloading any kind of images, and you will not use for any kind of commercial purpose. So, and for commercial and other licenses, this kinds of license, when you are going to use any kind of image or any downloaded thing for commercial purpose, then only you need to select those kinds of image licenses. So now in my case, I am not going to use it for any commercial purpose, so I am simply clicking on this Creative Commons licenses. So now these images are coming under Creative Commons licenses and are copyright free images. So now this among these images, I will explain these kinds of options. So in the first option, you can see it is the size option. Inside, by clicking the size option, you can see other options like large, medium and icon. If you want to download large images, then click here, and medium, then click to the next. If I want to click on this large option, so here these kinds of images which are showing large images of lotus and copyright free images, these options are appearing. Okay, so then coming to the next option, that is color. If I want any particular colored images, suppose red lotus or pink lotus or black lotus or green lotus, that kind of images if I need, then particularly that colored images will be appeared if I click any particular color. So suppose I need yellow lotus, so by clicking on this yellow color, see only such kinds of yellow lotuses are available which are in yellow color. So for getting any particular colored object, you can select this option. Okay. So coming to the next option. Otherwise, here you can see some other options also. So suppose I need to see green lotus, but in green lotus there are so many leaves in green color. That's why these options are coming. Let's see for another color. Blue, purple is common color. That's why it's coming very easily. Suppose in pink, blue color. Think blue lotus is also available here. Okay, so these kinds of images will appear if I click particular color here. So suppose this is my blue colored lotus, which is copyright free images. Okay, so and coming to the next option, this is type. If you want any particular type, that is clipart type images, so by clicking this clipart type blue colored lotuses are available here. So this is the other kinds of images. So but I don't need it here. Okay, so I need that blue lotus. Where is that? Yeah, this is the blue lotus. If you click on that, this box will appear and see so many blue lotuses are also available in this. Okay, so if you want to download this image, so what you can do, simply right click over here and save the image as, and where select the area where you are going to select save it. So I am choosing my desktop here, so I'm giving one name, that blue lotus, and save it. Okay, so in this way you can find the images which are copyright free images, and you can save it in your desktop. So in this way you can download so many other images also. So in this video it was all about downloading images which are copyright free images. So